If you are struggling to make reading a regular part of your routine, here are 5 steps that can help. 1. Set clear goals. Determine how much time you can realistically dedicate to reading each day or week. It could be as little as 15 minutes a day or a few hours a week. The key is to start small and gradually increase your reading time as you build the habit. 2. Choose interesting material. Select books or articles that interest you. If you're not engaged in what you are reading, it's unlikely that you will make it a habit. This could be fiction or non-fiction, newspapers, magazines, or online blogs. The point is to enjoy what you are reading. 3. Create a reading schedule. Designate a specific time each day for reading. This could be in the morning with your coffee, during lunch, or before bed. Having a set time will make it easier to incorporate reading into your daily routine. 4. Reduce distractions. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can focus on your reading. Turn off your phone, or at least silence notifications, and let others know that you'd like to be undisturbed during this time. 5. Join a reading group or club. If you find it difficult to motivate yourself to read, consider joining a book club or reading group. This gives you a social incentive to read and a chance to discuss what you've read, enhancing your understanding and appreciation of the material. Remember, the goal of reading should be enjoyment and or learning, not just getting through as many books as possible. If you find a particular book boring or difficult, it's perfectly fine to put it aside and try something else. The most important thing is to create a habit of reading that you can sustain in the long term.